In this video, we are going to discuss about coronavirus. It is a novel virus discovered in 2019. Table of contents include introduction, interesting facts about coronavirus, signs and symptoms of coronavirus, mode of action of coronavirus, and finally the convalescent plasma therapy. First of all, the introduction. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that are known to cause illness ranging from common cold to most severe diseases such as the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome MERS and severe acute respiratory syndrome SARS. A novel coronavirus, which is also known as COVID-19, was identified in 2019 in Wuhan, China. This is a new coronavirus that has not been previously identified in humans. Coronavirus is spread through droplets released into the air when an infected person coughs or sneezes. The incubation period is about 14 days of exposure to the virus. SARS, which is also known as severe acute respiratory syndrome, is similar to the COVID-19. Both are types of coronaviruses, but the difference is that COVID-19 seems to spread much faster than the 2003 SARS outbreak and also may cause less severe illness. Next is some interesting facts about coronavirus. Number first is anosmia, which is the loss of smell. People who tested positive for the virus said that loss of smell was their first major symptom, whereas other people usually say that fever, high-grade fever, or maybe cough or sneezing is their first symptom. But 30% of the people who tested positive for the virus in South Korea said that loss of smell was their first major symptom. Next is SARS versus COVID-19. The virus that causes SARS is similar to the one that causes COVID-19. Both are coronaviruses, but the researchers have recently identified a difference between them. The difference is that SARS-CoV-2, which is also known as COVID-19, binds 10 to 20 times much tightly to human cells than SARS-CoV, which is the virus responsible for SARS. Next is the COVID-19 virus can live on surfaces for days. Researchers have found that the virus can live up to 24 hours on cardboard and 2 to 3 days on plastic and stainless steel. Next is people who don't have symptoms means that they are asymptomatic can also spread the disease, which is an interesting fact. Next is type A blood. Hospitalized patients who are hospitalized with COVID-19, researchers have also found that that the patients who are hospitalized with COVID-19, the proportion of sick people with type A blood was significantly greater as compared to other blood groups. Then we are going to discuss about the signs and symptoms of coronavirus. The most common signs and symptoms are cough, fever and chills, shortness of breath, muscle and body aches, sore throat, loss of smell and taste, and diarrhea. Next, we are going to discuss the mode of action of coronavirus. But before proceeding to this topic, we should know about the genetic material of coronavirus. The genetic material of coronavirus is RNA. It is a positively stranded RNA. It is called positively stranded RNA because such type of virus can make it protein directly, and it can also duplicate its genetic material. Such type of RNA viruses work very fast, means that they can duplicate their genetic material and can make their proteins very rapidly. It mutates very rapidly, and that's why due to such large number of modifications, no vaccine for the COVID-19 has been identified yet. The RNA viruses work very fast, and secondly, they mutate very rapidly. These 2 points are the plus points of RNA viruses, but these 2 points are very dangerous for humans. Now the question arises that how it attacks our cell, means that how these viruses attack a human cell. Let's suppose that a person who is infected with COVID-19 sneezes and he is not wearing a mask. So the person sitting next to him will inhale those droplets, and as a result the virus enters inside the body of that person. Now here we take an example of a normal body cell, which is shown here in a rectangular diagram. It is a normal body cell which has a special kind of receptor present on its surface. The special kind of receptor here is this one, ACE2 receptor, which is known as angiotensin converting enzyme 2 receptor. This receptor, which is protein in nature, is mostly found in our lungs. As we know that the SARS-CoV-2 virus was the virus for animals and it does not attack human cells, but now it infects the human cell. This is because this virus can produce certain proteins that allow this virus to attach to the human cell receptor, that is the angiotensin converting enzyme 2 receptor. Now once the virus interacts with the receptor of the human cell, here the interaction is shown. This is a virus which interacts with the receptor of the human cell. It enters in the form of a vesicle inside the human cell. Here the vesicle is shown. Now the lysosome, which is normally present inside the human cell, let's suppose this is a lysosome which is present inside the human cell. It contains some acidic content, will bind with the vesicle. Here it binds with the vesicle or fuses with the vesicle, and as a result fusion occurs. As soon as it binds and enters the vesicle, the protein structure of virus is dissolved. Here the protein structure is dissolved. Here the protein structure is dissolved and the RNA is exposed. This RNA comes into the cytoplasm. Since the RNA is positively stranded, therefore it will synthesize large number of copies of RNA. Here large number of copies are shown. These are formed after replication. Large number of copies are formed. Now these RNA strands will undergo translation, and this translation will occur inside the ribosomes, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are basically the protein factory, or it is also known as the ribosomal machinery, which will be taken up by the virus and it will synthesize large number of proteins. Now once the proteins as well as the RNA portion of the virus is made, it will be packaged inside a vesicle. Once it's packaged inside a vesicle, at the end when the small virus particles are formed, they will be released outside the cell, and they will be released once the virus ruptures the human cell. So the pain which is felt in case of virus infection, as we have sore throat, we have fever, we have coughing, sneezing, etc. The pain which is felt is because the virus is damaging the normal cells of our body. It's rupturing our cell and then releasing out of our cell. So that's why the pain is felt. This is the whole mechanism of mode of action of coronavirus. Now we will talk about the convalescent plasma therapy, which is most commonly done, and many states already give the permission to use the plasma therapy for the treatment of COVID-19 patients. Convalescent means basically somebody who is recovering from an illness or a disease. Plasma is part of our body. Means when red blood cells after centrifugation, for example, these are our red blood cells, it contains our blood. When once it's centrifugated, the plasma part of the blood is separated from the red blood cells. Plasma part is basically responsible for maintaining the balance of pH in blood. It contains antibodies or the proteins produced against a specific antigen. Antigen means any part of the pathogen. It can be a virus, it can be a part of virus, it can be part of bacteria or protozoa, etc. COVID-19, it is also known as SARS-CoV-2. So let's suppose that here in this diagram, let's suppose this person is a healthy person and he is infected with COVID-19. So if he is a healthy, normal person, then he is capable of generating antibodies within 10 to 12 days. Two types of antibodies are produced: IgM antibodies. Here we can see IgG antibodies and IgM antibodies are basically produced inside this person, inside the body of this person. After these antibodies are produced, the person starts to feel better. This is because his antibodies is fighting off his infection. After 20 to 25 days, the person completely recovers from that infection, but he has high concentration of antibodies present in his body. At this stage, the person is immune to novel coronavirus because of the antibodies present in his body. Now, what does the word immune means? The word immune means that if the same person is again infected, means that this person is again infected with the same virus. Then he will recover within 2 to 3 days with mild or no symptoms at all. So in convalescent plasma therapy, the person who has recently recovered from the disease, that is the COVID-19, is used as a donor. So this person is used as a donor. He will donate his plasma. If an elderly individual from that person family, suppose this is an elderly individual from this person's family, is infected with the same virus, he can donate his IgG and IgM antibodies to that elderly individual. He will act as a recipient and he can recover from COVID-19 because these antibodies are specific against the antigens present on the surface of pathogen. So how the convalescent plasma therapy is done? First, the blood cells are separated from the plasma. Here the blood cells are separated from the plasma after centrifugation. Plasma of the donor will contain IgG and IgM antibodies. Now this plasma is delivered to the recipient. Now the plasma is taken from the donor and it is delivered to the recipient. Okay, for this plasma therapy to work, we need more recovered patients. The more the recovered patients, more plasma can be extracted from those patients. Now what is the reason for this? Why we need large number of recovered patients? We cannot extract huge amount of blood from a recovered patient because the person has already gone through a viral infection and the person will possibly be weak for some time. So we take a small amount of blood and extract plasma from that blood, but the plasma is not enough to use widely for large number of infected patients. This is basically the convalescent plasma therapy. These antibodies can also be produced artificially by using different technologies such as hybridoma technology or monoclonal antibodies, etc. Other preventative steps can be washing of hands frequently or wearing mask, not going to the crowded areas, etc. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe.